Uli, kaming mga ginikanan, wala may gibuhat kundi magtrabaho para tagaan o gwapong kinaugmaan ang among mga anak pagpaskwela. Bilang ganti po, pagkatapos nito, huwag niyo pong kalimutang pasalamatan ang ating mga magulang. Pakpakan nato ang atong mga parents na nadiha sa gawas karon. Salamat sa parents. Dili, wala ni sila dire kung dili tungod sa inyong pagpadako sa ila. A good day to all. It is an honor and a privilege to stand before you today as your guest speaker on this significant milestone in the lives of our dear graduates. As you celebrate the 4th commencement exercises of the Davao Oriental State University, you commemorate the countless hours of hard work, dedication, and sacrifice that have brought them to this momentous occasion. To the graduating class of 2024, congratulations po. Each one of you has navigated through the challenges of academic life, demonstrating resilience and a thirst for knowledge that has brought you here today. As your Mr. Malasakit, Senator Kuya Bongo, I am committed to transforming the quality of education in the country. We've achieved a significant milestone with the passage of Republic Act number 10931, the Universal Access to Quality Tertiary Education Act, signed into law by former President Rodrigo Duterte. This legislation has been instrumental in making higher education more accessible to Filipinos across the nation. Nabanggit ko po kanina sa ating presidente na si Roy Ponce. Muntik na po itong na-veto ni former President Duterte. Pero alam ko, noon, panahon na yung tinawagan ko si Chair Popoy de Vera. Sabi ko, sir, wag. Kasi ayaw usually ng mga finance manager ng gastos. Pero sabi ko, mahal namin ni Pangulong Duterte mga estudyante. In fact, sa Davao noon may scholarship program. Hindi po pwedeng hindi maging batas yan. Kaya isinulong talaga natin na maging batas po itong free tertiary education. At ngayon po, marami na po sa ating mga kabataan ang nakikinabang ng batas na ito, Republic Act 10931 po. Ito pong free tertiary education. As your advocate in the Senate, I have passed the Senate Bill 1360, which seeks to expand the tertiary education subsidy coverage. Nag-file din po ako ng bill na yan. I-expand po itong tertiary education subsidy. Bill pa po ito. I am also one of the co-authors and co-sponsors of the Republic Act number 11984, also known as the No Permit, No Exam Prohibition Act, which is pivotal in fostering an education system that is compassionate, inclusive, and robust. As the chairman of the Senate Committee on Health, I understand the mental toll that balancing work and studies can take on students. That is why as a co-author, I continue to push for Senate Bill 2598, also known as the State Universities and Colleges Mental Health Services Act. The bill aims to establish mental health offices in every SUC campus nationwide. As the chairman of the Senate Committee on Sports, I have authored and co-sponsored Republic Act number 11470. This act established the National Academy of Sports